Long ago, a Persian merchant sat in his sunlit, serene house beside the golden cage of his parrot. The green parrot, with wise and curious eyes, spoke words that filled the merchant's heart with wonder. The merchant asked, "What gift shall I bring from my journey to India?" The parrot replied, "Send my greetings to the parrots of India and ask them to tell me, my friends, I live in a cage, longing for the homeland. If you have found the way to freedom, send me a sign." The merchant traveled across golden deserts, the morning sun lighting his way. In India, colorful parrots perched on lush trees and heard the message. One of the parrots in India, upon hearing the message, trembled and fell still. The merchant was astonished, yet continued his journey home. When he returned, he told his parrot, "In India, one parrot, just like you, heard your message and fell lifeless to the ground." When the parrot heard this, she trembled and became still, falling silent and motionless upon the floor of her cage. The merchant's heart ached. He thought his dear parrot had died. With sorrow, he opened the cage door to take her out. Suddenly, the parrot rose above the cage, its wings shining in the sunlight as it took flight. The merchant watched in silent awe, understanding at last the meaning of freedom.